We are the fourth generation today, and it's a good 107 years old.
I think it's time that people should know what all we have.
It's all started in the year 1916. It's all started with a single can of milk. It started by my great grandfather. Slowly he moved into Indian sweets. Then he got certain stables around Mumbai. Since 50 years back we have shifted to a place called Talasari. It's in Maharashtra only. We've got a huge parcel of 300 acres land out there where we've got a huge lot of livestock out there. The manufacturing is being handled from that.
So it's been 107 years, so we thought it's a good time to now have a new fresh look, and we've created some exciting forms, some exciting packaging. We have some really good bottles for the ghee, glass jars that we're doing. The butter pot is also something that's really exciting. So you're going to see a really fresh, colourful Parsi Dairy Farm now.
And I think we've kept the old beautiful tradition of the way the recipes used to be, and we've changed the systems around it. We've not changed the product, we've not changed the purity, but we've changed the systems around it to develop it to today's age and time, to make it more systematic, make it more relevant to today.
Today we are only focusing Mumbai, South Mumbai and things like that, but we want to see that these products, this tradition, all these things reaches pan-India. We want to go there, and we have made steps to do that.
Can you see here? So that's you, and these are all your brothers. My baach hai, like hamara mummy.
Mawa khaja is my very favorite midday because I like the mawa, I like the pastry, and I used to enjoy going to the karkhana where it is made.
My favorite mithai in Parsi Dairy is the jalebi. Well, I really like it, and during festival seasons we used to go to the factory, and we used to eat them absolutely fresh and hot.
My favorite product from Parsi Dairy Farm has to be the ghee, because I have these memories of walking into the factory, and I used to run behind the yogurt counter and get the empty cup, fill it with the ghee, and then go behind the table and eat it. And it was just delicious. I could eat cups and cups of cups.
My favorite product from Parsi Dairy Farm is by far the mouth-melting kulfi, malai kulfi. When I used to travel with my mother on the Deccan Queen at 9 o'clock in the morning and listen to the waiter come, Parsi Dairy kulfi, it just basically used to drive us crazy. And even though I was the owner of Parsi Dairy Farm, we used to buy that kulfi just to eat it and enjoy ourselves.
My favorite product from Parsi Dairy is sutarfeni. It's basically when I was a child and I used to go to the karkhana and I would see these huge piles of sutarfeni lying out there. Lovely, beautiful, white. It's like you just see like a huge cloud of sutarfeni all around the karkhana. The journey of it from a dough to becoming these beautiful fine strands that you can see here is something that amazes me even today.
This is one of our most amazing products, and that's the cottage cheese, and it's my favorite product also, and we can make some amazing dips out of it. And in all my parties and get-togethers, I always make these dips and people love it.
My favorite product of Parsi Dairy Farm are the Great Indian Toffees. This product is very famous, and I used to carry it to my school during my birthday, and I used to be called the Toffee Boy of St. Mary's.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.